All right, let's take a look at a cordless paint sprayer. Now, this one does not come with battery. It has different nozzles, all right? Just to let you guys know, there's four of them. Two of them that can be hold in the top, and then two come in the bag, of course. Now, these are replaceable. You could just change them out, interchangeable. It comes with actually a nozzle that they already on, and also just make sure you read the instructions prior to using it on how much actually liquid you have to mix with the actual spray. Now, depending on the actual paint, you might need a thinner because it cannot be heavy. That's why it comes with this filter, so you can make it lighter. All right, just be aware that you do might need thinner in order to use it. Now, once you get it done, you understand how much the quantity you have to pour in, so you can start using this